Hi everyone. In class we have been practicing two-digit subtraction. So I'm making this video to help you at home learn how we use place value strategies to subtract two-digit numbers. So first we're going to start with this word problem. It says there were 23 ducks in a pond. 10 ducks left the pond. How many ducks are in the pond now? So the first thing that we do, just like we do in class, is underline the problem. So we're going to underline the important information in the problem. So there's 23 ducks in a pond, 10 ducks have left, which lets us know that we need to subtract. And then we're going to draw a bracket around our question so we don't forget what we're focusing on. So we know that there are 23 ducks in the pond, and then 10 ducks left. So we're going to subtract 10, and then that equals our unknown. So we're going to solve it using place value blocks. So here are 10 and 1s, there's our chart. So we're going to show the whole, which is 23. There's 2 10s and the number 23. And there's 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. And we always count just to double check. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now the problem says that we have to subtract 10. So we're going to put an X over our tens block here. Let's see what we have left. We have 1 10 plus these 3 1s. So 10 plus 3 is 13. I could also count it like this: 10, 11, 12, 13. So that lets us know that 23 minus 10 equals 13. So how many ducks are in the pond now? 13 ducks are in the pond now. Let's go on to one that's a little harder. And some of you might recognize these names. Akari had 47 toy aliens. He gave 13 toy aliens to Amanda. How many alien toys does he have now? So we're going to, just like we did before, underline the important information. 47 toy aliens. He gave, that lets us know to subtract 13 toy aliens to Amanda. And then put a bracket around our question. How many alien toys or toy aliens does he have now? So let's solve this one in 2 ways. So we're going to do our place value chart first, but then we're also going to solve it with a number line. So our equation, 47 is the whole, gave 13 toy aliens to Amanda. And then there's our unknown. So we know 47 minus 13 equals something. So here we're going to show the whole 47, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. And now we know we have to subtract 13. 13 has 1 10 and 3 1s that we need to take away. Now we can count to see what's left over. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So what is 30 plus 4? It's 34. So 47 minus 13 is 34. We can double check using an open number line like this. We're going to start with 47 and take away 13. So we're going to make one big 10 jump. 47 minus 10 is 37, just like we saw here. And then we're going to take away 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. Those are our tiny little 1 jumps. So taking away 37, or excuse me, taking away 3 from 37, that's 37, 36, 35, 34. So we get the same answer. So how many toy aliens or alien toys does Akari have now? He has 34 toy aliens. Let's do one more and see if we get this one. So Ryan is selling Girl Scout cookies. She started with 61 boxes on Saturday. On Sunday, she sold 48 boxes. How many boxes does Ryan have left? So let's underline the important information so we can make our equation. She started with 61 boxes. So that's the whole, that's our starting point. On Sunday, she sold, that means to give away, 48 boxes. How many boxes does Ryan have left? So we're going to show our equation. 61 minus 48 equals an unknown. And let's do our place value chart just like this. So we have 61 as our whole. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. They're the 10s and our 1s. 61. Now we have to subtract 48. So I see here, without crossing out anything, that I can subtract 4 10s. But I know I can't subtract 8 1s because I don't have 8 1s to take from. So where do we get these 1s from? We're going to come over here to the 10s and grab a 10, and we're going to decompose it in the 1s or break it apart. So we're going to break this 10 apart so that now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 1s. This 10 stick is the same as this 10 1s. Because just look, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Same number. I just am showing it in a different way so I can subtract. So now, do I have 4 10s to take away? Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40. Do I have 8 1s to take away? Yes, I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see what's left over. Just this 10 here. And these 3 1s here. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So how many boxes does Ryan have left? She has 13 boxes left. So hopefully that makes a little more sense when you're subtracting. And I'll go back to the first one. This is a simple word problem where you're just taking away a 10. This one, we were taking away some 10s and 1s. In this third problem, we were showing how to decompose a 10 in case we don't have enough to subtract. And for those of you who like a challenge, on an open number line, it would be the same exact thing. There's 61, taking away 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's 61, 51, 41, 31, 21, and then here's our 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then counting back, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. That is 13. So we get the same answer, 13 boxes. Hopefully this makes a little more sense when you're practicing at home. Bye.